This video is sponsored by Wondershare. Hey, what's up ladies, buddies and gentlemen, welcome back to this video sponsored by Wondershare. And as you guys can see, we will take a review about their recovery software. So of course this is actually a best recovery software in terms of getting back your deleted files from your recycle bin, formatted drive, a lost partition, and maybe a device like a flash drive. And if you are maybe like me who lost a lot of footage from SD card, which all we today looking at. The best side of this software is that it supports all the different file types like document, like doc, and of course HTML for your web browsing data. In terms of video, it supports all the popular and most common formats like AVI, MOV, MP4, 3GP, 3GP2, and even SWF. You can also recover your email, zip, and other useful data. How cool is that? The interesting thing is it can recover data from your hard disk, SSD, RAID, USB drive, iPod, MMC card, and so on. And if you are not concerned about it, you can download their free trial version to see if it getting any handful things, even more than 100 MB. Then of course you have to operate their pro version. So let's go ahead and check out what they have to offer. Okay, first of all, I am going to open Recoverit software. Now I am gonna show you guys what we shall be working on today. So I have this drive, correct? I have a drive right here, and it is a flash drive known as Pro Disk, and I am gonna go ahead and format this drive too until it is 1% clean, and we are gonna test out whether this thing actually works. Now I am gonna hit format right in front of you guys, and I am gonna hit start, then okay, and boom, all my data has vanished. Now let's go ahead and check out that drive and make sure that all the data has actually vanished and it is 1% empty. So what exactly should I do next? Well, I have a bunch of options here, and I didn't mention before, but those aren't really my problem. My system hasn't crashed unless you has a formatted disk, and hasn't been formatted because I do not have a formatted disk, and my recycle bin is doing just fine. Thank you very much. Unfortunately, our viruses. So what is my problem? Well, I have external device, a particular flash drive, and that I actually want to get back my information from it. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose that drive, flash drive, which in this case is called Pro Disk, and we are gonna try to see if this thing finds anything good. Oh, it already founds a bunch of files. Remember, this is a completely empty formatted drive, and in this first second it's already found those lost files. It's amazing. Believe me, it's amazing. It's kind of makes me think that things are way more easy to recover than you might think. It says it took more than a minute, but in reality it took only just 60 seconds. Now I'm gonna go ahead and choose out all the different things it managed to recover, and you guys can see those are all the files from that formatted drive which I formatted before. And if you wish, you can show the data by name, size, date, and there is also a preview option to preview before you recover. Now I am gonna select all my files and click recovery. Well, now select a path to save it. That's fine. And just like that, I got all my 5 items back. Okay, all of you guys hopefully enjoyed this video. If so, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and this is going to me logging off.